So good afternoon, girls.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today we are going to discuss the chapter tissues from your ninth science. So here is my first question from you, Ishpreet. What is a tissue?
A group of cells that are similar in structure and functional grouped together to form a tissue.
Okay, good. Ritika, can you tell me how are simple tissues different from complex tissues?
Simple tissues are made up of one type of cells. Complex tissues are made up of more than one type of cells. These cells of simple tissue may perform similar functions. These cells of complex tissue may perform different functions. Example of simple tissue: collenchyma, sclerenchyma, parenchyma. Example of complex tissue: xylem and phloem.
Okay, very good. So Harsimran, here is a question from you. Which type of tissue is present in our skin?
Stratified squamous epithelial tissue,
And what is the bark of the tree?
cork,
Okay, and what is a bone?
connective tissue,
What type of tissue is present in the lining of the kidneys?
cuboidal epithelium tissue,
And what is vascular bundle?
complex permanent tissue, xylem and phloem.
Very good. So here is a question from you, Navdeep. Your question is, what is the tissue that forms the inner lining of our mouth?
Epithelial tissue,
Okay, and what is the tissue that stores fat in our body?
adipose tissue,
Adipose. Okay, tissue which is present in the brain?
nervous tissue.
Nervous tissue. Good. Mehak, your question is me complete the table of permanent tissues.
There are two types of permanent tissue. First, simple permanent tissue and second, complex permanent tissue. There are three types of simple permanent tissue. First, parenchyma, second, collenchyma and last, sacralchyma. There are two types of complex tissue. First, xylem and second, phloem.
Very good. Great answer. Yes, next question is, what are the type of xylem tissues?
There are four different types of cells which made up xylem tissue. There are tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, xylem fibrous.
Excellent. So what are the different types of phloem?
Phloem is made up of four types of elements. They are sweep tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, phloem fiber.
Excellent. Here comes your question, Yogita. Where is apical meristem found?
Apical meristem is found at the growing tips of stem and roots. It helps in increase the length of stem and roots.
Okay. Next question is, what are the functions of stomata?
Functions of stomata are the exchanges of gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen with the atmosphere, the loss of excess of water in the form of water vapor. This process is known as transpiration.
Great. So here is the last question. Parmeet, differentiate between parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma on the basis of their cell wall.
Parenchyma, cell wall is thin. Collenchyma, cell wall is thick. Sclerenchyma, cell wall is very thick and hard and rigid.